Somebody's got to go down.
What?
No, y'all got to stand up. And somebody has to get somebody down. Yeah. You're going to have to put your hands on each other. You got to get her down. Get her, Chrissy. I told you got to put your leg behind her knees and get her down.
I'll go then. Alright.
Y'all got to get closer so you can touch each other. Bulldozer, Chrissy, get her. My camera's gonna go dead waiting on y'all. Somebody needs to go down. Knock her down, Cassie. Don't let her get you down, Chrissy. What are they doing, Poop Jean? Chrissy, don't let her get you flat down. Cassie, you got her in a headlock or what? Don't let her get you on your back. Get her, Chrissy. She's got to be flat on her back. It looks like Cassie won. Chrissy lost. Yeah. Cassie won.
Damn.
Chrissy, what happened?
Don't be fooled by the snaps.
She got you. Are you okay? She put you in a headlock.
Yeah, she just like killed my face. Now I